All right, traders, George here, and a Friday afternoon trade setup for you. This is Facebook. Facebook's coming off its highs here just north of 70, driving down to a very intense commitment area here. This balance beam, the blue and red one, that's where the most intense trading has been for the last 120 days. We got a bounce off it once. We got a bounce off it again just a week ago. And then with the earnings, some volatility around 62, but the bears breaking it below the 61 floor here and filling through this air pocket. We've driven all the way down to the spike of this balance beam. This is an aggressive long entry right here at 57.71s, right on the spike. That's essentially where prices stalled out. So there's a lot of trading commitment here. This is a great spot to go long if you want to give weight to the prior impulse that took it to a new structure high as being the dominant impulse, which it is for now until that low is taken out. So this is a great spot to look to go long. However, it's also a great spot to have a very surgical stop and control risk on further downside. In fact, with just about another 3% lower, 2.5% lower, we'll be below the floor of this area here and have a very good shot at moving down to 55, and then below 54 is we're likely going to 51. So below this 56.70 handle, we would look to be short with those targets, but until then, that's about the area that we'd have as a long stop. Okay. Now, for more strength, because this is aggressive, we would want to see price move up a little bit from where it is right now, and I've got 58.28 tagged as that entry point based on that idea that we want to see price just clear this threshold right here. Some of the best setups are when things look the most dire. So when the Dow is down 153.94 and the Nasdaq is down 75 points and Facebook is down 5+%, and people are worried about Putin and things like that, it's a perfect spot to go long here. So a little bit higher for the conservative entry. Aggressive is long right now. And for targets, look north. Here's this air pocket that easily moved us up twice before. We would look to the floor there, about 60.83 for target 1, and the ceiling at about 62.82 for target 2. We get over that ceiling here. We tried to here and couldn't hold it, but if the bulls can reclaim that $63 threshold, then they've got a good shot at moving it up to about 66.83, which is the floor of the next heavy trading zone. So great looking setup there. It is aggressive where it is right now, a little more strength to the upside, and it'll look a lot better. Risk control, real nice, and an opportunity to go short with a little bit stronger move down and clearing that that floor here at about 56.70. These price points that I've got highlighted here, these are the main price points to watch for Facebook. High likelihood that the traders will resonate at those areas on their way up or down, okay? So I'll leave you with that. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you back in the live room.